Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, welcome to Test Prep Training. In this video you will learn about some commonly asked questions in IBM WebSphere Application Server Network Deployment V8.5.5, and Liberty Profile System Administration. So let's get started. Question number 1. A system administrator completed a WebSphere application server installation by using the Installation Manager. During installation, all defaults were selected for the installation root directories and the shared resources directory. Over time, the administrator has updated the installation with various interim fixes and fix packs. The administrator notices that the shared resources directory is very large in size and grows larger each time the installation manager is run. How can the administrator decrease the size and remove some of the content from the shared resources directory? Your options are: A. Manually delete content from the directory. B. During an update, create a new shared resources directory. C. Clear the delete saved files option for the installation manager. D. Set the preserve downloaded artifacts preference to false. The correct answer is option D. Question number 2. A system administrator ran the backup config command to backup the configuration using the no stop option. The administrator changed the properties for the service integration environment by modifying the sib.properties file. During testing, the administrator noticed service integration bus-related errors and wanted to restore the service integration environment. Administrator used the restore config command, but the tuning properties for the service integration environment were not restored. How can the administrator prevent this issue? Your options are: A. Use full repository checkpoints for both the backup and the restore. B. Use the restore config command with nostop for the restore. C. Use the manage profiles command for both the backup and the restore. D. Use the backup config command without nostop for the backup. Use the restore config command without nostop for the restore. The correct answer is option B. Question number 3. A system administrator is configuring the security of a new environment. The administrator has been asked to configure one LDAP server that has different subtrees for business users and administration users. What should the administrator do to implement the required security configuration? Your options are: A. Install and configure ATAI. B. Configure a security domain for the standalone LDAP server. C. Use federated repositories and configure the supported entity types. D. Use standalone custom registry and configure the flat file implementation. The correct answer is option C. Question number 4. A system administrator has added a server cluster as a member of a service integration bus. The administrator needs to configure one messaging engine for each server in this cluster, and to have a failover location for each messaging engine. What should the administrator do to achieve the required design? Your options are: A. Configure a new messaging engine in each server to support failover. B. Configure the data store for each messaging engine for each server in the cluster. C. Select scalability with high availability as the messaging engine policy. D. Create a core group policy to restrict each messaging engine to a particular server. The correct answer is option C. Question number 5. A system administrator wants to learn some of the Python scripting commands for the administration of the environment. Which product feature should the administrator use? Your options are: A. The vsadmin.properties file to load a profile. B. The admin task object to gen vsadmin scripts. C. The guided activities panel from the integrated solutions console. D. The log command assistance commands option in the integrated solutions console. The correct answer is option D. Question number 6. A system administrator has created a Python script called global script Py. What should the administrator do to ensure global script Py is loaded when the vsadmin shell is used? Your options are: A. Compile global script.py to a Java class in the bin directory. B. Invoke vsadmin with the argument profile name global script.py. C. Modify the configure custom property script to import global script Py. D. Set the script profiles in the vsadmin.properties file to load global script Py. The correct answer is option D. Question number 7. A system administrator has created a Python script that will run in WebSphere network cell where administrative security is enabled. This script is named doupdate.py and will be run by using the following. How can the administrator suppress a user/password prompt from appearing when this script is run? Set the user and password in the. Your options are. The correct answer is option D. Question number 8. A system administrator runs a Python script that creates and configures several servers and realizes that the script fails before completing. Although many tasks succeeded, they are rolled back when the script fails. Before running the script again, what can the administrator add to the script after each task so the completed tasks are committed even if other tasks fail? Your options are. The correct answer is option C. Question number 9. An application deployed to a multi-node cluster is reported to have slowness and hung threads. A system administrator is asked to review the logs on each node and identify if the hung threads are a false alarm. How can the administrator determine that the hung threads are a false alarm? Analyze the following. Your options are. The correct answer is option C. You can refer the following for the explanation of the answer. Question number 10. A system administrator suspects that the slow performance of an application might be caused by lock contention. To debug this further, what can the administrator do using IBM Support Assistant? Your options are. A. Analyze the running server using IBM monitoring and diagnostic tools for Java, Health Center. B. Collect a Java core and analyze it using IBM monitoring and diagnostic tools for Java, Health Center. C. Collect 3 thread dumps at equal time intervals, and analyze them using IBM monitoring and diagnostic tools for Java Dump Analyzer. D. Collect 3 system dumps at equal time intervals, and analyze them using IBM monitoring and diagnostic tools for Java Memory Analyzer. The correct answer is option A. You can refer the following for the explanation of the answer. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.